I'm really excited to have my trucks done. They will also have an option of additional accessories so you can paint both sides, so you can use whichever color you prefer. Now you might be wondering why they have the hook and loop. It's so you can change your interchangeable signs. It's going to be tough to do them one-handed, I think, but I want you to get the idea. Probably a little crooked, but like I said, one-handed. Then the top piece will just slide in. And there's your first one. Let's do this one here. Well, once again, a little off kilter. Forgive me for being one-handed currently. There's two that are going to be options. Because I am one-handed, we'll just flip these bad boys around and put the other two up. Two more up anyways. I like this one on here. Oops, tipped it over. Maybe it's better to have it tipped over, then it gives some pressure for me since I am one-handed. And Thanksgiving. We'll do this guy. Halloween. And I keep busting the spider's legs, so don't worry if you bust your spider's legs. I think it's just bound to happen. Then I also have two more, so you want to change it out, you just pop them out. Once again, easier two-handed. And I'm not videoing very well, I don't think either, one-handed. Pop it off. Pop another one on. And there's that one. Now we'll change this one out because I do have one more available. And you can paint it your favorite teams. I picked colors because that was the first person that commented the colors, so he won the colors I chose. And the football. So there's more options.